This video is sponsored by Wondershare Doctor Phone, your complete mobile solution. All the tool you need to keep your mobile at 100%. Check description for more info. Hey there, this is Tia and this video is an installation of this Kingston Q500 128GB SSD on my Lenovo laptop. So let's get into it. This is my Lenovo G5080 laptop. We have to get the battery out before doing anything. Now, as per your laptop, you have to find which screw will open your laptop back panel. I have to open these 3 screws. After removing screws, gently lift the back panel. Look how dusty it is. So first we have to take this HDD out. Remove these screws to take out the HDD. It may vary for your laptop, so figure out and take your HDD out. After that, gently push your HDD backward and pull it out. It was tough for me. So here's the HDD. It is Seagate 1TB HDD and it's heavy than SSD. Now we have to remove these 4 screws. Let me remove the screws and I'll get back to you. After removing the screws, I get these brackets. Now we have to install these brackets into SSD. Let me install this and I'll get back to you. So I installed the bracket into SSD. It was very simple. You can easily do it. Now place the SSD into HDD compartment and gently push forward. And tight all the 4 screws. Now insert the back panel and tight all the screws. Then insert the battery. Then you have to install Windows. After installing Windows, you will get around 98GB free out of 111GB. That's it for this video. Like and subscribe for more such videos and I will catch you in the next one.